Choosing the best DJI drone isn't the easiest decision to make, since this market leader in production has several products in its portfolio, so knowing which one to go for can be confusing. Drones aren't just flying cameras though. They're also the modern version of remote-controlled vehicles. Today, each drone comes with various abilities, so pick one wisely. If you are looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. Our list begins with the DJI Phantom 4 quadcopter. It boasts a 3-axis stabilized gimbal camera with a 20-megapixel, 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting up to 4K 60 frames per second video, as well as photo bursting up to 14 frames per second. It benefits from a total of 5 vision sensors, which enable precise navigation where GPS is unavailable, and provide 2 directions of obstacle detection. The camera boasts a mechanical aperture that eliminates rolling shutter distortion that can occur when taking images of fast-moving subjects or when flying at high speed, and an automatic focus. Its powerful video processing supports H.264 4K videos at 60 frames per second or H.265 4K at 30 frames per second, both recorded in a 100 megabytes per second bitrate. Its remote controller integrates an upgraded LightBridge HD video transmission, which enables up to 720p HD live view with a range of up to 4.3 miles. Plus, the system uses a combined 2.4 GHz signal for both control and monitoring. Next on the line, we have DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. It features a 3-axis stabilized gimbal camera with a 20-megapixel, 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting up to 4K 60 frames per second video and photo bursts at up to 14 frames per second. It also utilizes the Flight Autonomy System, which includes dual rear vision sensors and infrared sensing for a total of 5 directions of obstacle sensing and 4 directions of obstacle avoidance. Instead of LightBridge, it uses OcuSync, which enables improved live video stream performance. Other notable enhancements include lighter props and reduced overall takeoff weight, wireless integration with DJI goggles, and bolstered transmission power. Further, it offers intelligent flight modes such as tap fly, active track, draw mode, gesture mode, and more. Draw mode lets you control the flight path with a fixed altitude by merely creating a route on the screen. Up next on the list, we have MAVIC Pro Platinum. This drone features an advanced flight control system that draws on a host of sensors, including a ground-facing camera, ultrasound, GPS, dual redundant IMUs, and more to keep track of where it is flying in 3D space and avoid collisions. It works in tandem with DJI's Go mobile app for accessing settings, getting a telemetry readout, viewing a low-latency video feed, and even editing and sharing your footage. Also, it features new FOC ESC sinusoidal drivers designed to improve motor communication and control. The improved motors deliver a maximum flight time of 30 minutes. Besides traditional joystick-style controls, you can fly with simple tap-based commands. And the MAVIC Pro Platinum can recognize gestures for the perfect selfie. The MAVIC Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. You can capture impressive 48 megapixel photos with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K 60 frames per second video. The secret to its incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles and can also deliver a 1080p FHD resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. With an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes, allowing you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your MAVIC Air 2. Its Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 technology keeps subjects centered, and the POI 3.0 tracks moving subjects, like people and vehicles. Up next on the list, we have DJI MAVIC Mini. Weighing in at under 9 ounces, its weight class is both lower and safer than many other drones, which may exempt it from specific regulations. It is combined with a stabilized 3-axis gimbal and sophisticated flight modes, which can achieve up to 12 megapixel images, 2.7K Quad HD videos, and complex cinematic shots with just a touch in the DJI Fly app. Also, it features up to 30 minutes of flight on a full battery charge. The included controller is designed to work with select Android and iOS smartphones, letting you quickly fly the drone while maintaining a low-latency HD video feed from the gimbal from up to 2.5 miles away. Another advantage of the MAVIC Mini's size is that it can stay in the air longer. To help you get started, DJI includes a flight tutorial in the DJI Fly app, making the MAVIC Mini an ideal drone solution for beginners to professionals alike. The next product on the list is the MAVIC 2 Zoom. This drone utilizes a low-drag aerodynamic body design for achieving speeds up to 44.7 miles per hour. A 4-cell LiPo battery for up to 31 minutes of flight time, and low-noise propellers for filming without being distracting. This power and performance are coupled with a variety of shooting modes and capabilities for cinematic results. It gives you the ability to get closer to the action thanks to its 24 to 48 mm 2x optical zoom camera with a 1/2.3-inch 12 megapixel sensor. There's even a single tap aerial mode called Dolly Zoom that gives a Hitchcockian effect to your footage. To help keep the MAVIC 2 Zoom safe and in control, DJI has provided OcuSync 2.0 video transmission technology that can transmit a video feed to the included smart controller from up to 5 miles away in full HD 1080p quality. Furthermore, it has omnidirectional obstacle sensing that provides object avoidance with sensors on all sides of the MAVIC 2 Zoom. At the top of the list, we have DJI MAVIC 2 Pro. It is equipped with a Hasselblad N1D 20C camera with a 20 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor, and its camera drone lets you capture gorgeous aerial shots in stunning color detail. The standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Use with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. Its large sensor performs better in low-light environments with a more extensive ISO range, and max ISO is lifted from 3200 to 12,800. It is designed to optimize propulsion, lower power consumption, and reduce noise. Its flight autonomy system offers a smoother, quieter flight for more considerable discretion and safety. With hyperlight mode switched on, it can capture low-light images with reduced noise. Additionally, it supports OcuSync 2.0 system, which is designed to provide you with a high-quality and stable video feed.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.